Marking a timber sale today, and the large majority of it is a salvage. This is a really nice woods before this went through. It's near Chesterland, Ohio. And this, they did actually classify it as a tornado, EF 0, I believe. But right here behind me is a really bad part of the woods. This is a really nice woods before this went through here, and I'm going to show you the devastation. Look at that. Trees down everywhere. Tops snapped out of trees. And look at this huge oak right here. Lost some of its top. And it's just really unfortunate. It's just part of owning forests. Is, you know, the chances of this happening are probably fairly slim, but you can see the power of the wind. It's amazing. I mean, look at this right here. Big old beech. It's fairly rotten. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you this part. And you'll really get to see this portion over here that was significantly impacted. And you can see some of these trees that were blown over that are leafing out, the maple trees. I wrote a forest management plan for my client here a couple years ago, and then this wind went through here. He was planning to sell a portion of the parcel anyway, but most of the parcel that he still owns was impacted. Check this out right here. Look at that. This is the back side of that portion I just showed to you. This is probably, well, this is the worst part. There's a part behind me, but check this out right here. You can see the root balls right here. Trees just, you can see the path of the storm came right through here. And you can see right here, trees just blown right over.